This week, I wanted to talk about one of the big updates that YouTube made this week. And it's a new option to set up collaborations. And the idea is that you have a regular video or a short, and then you can invite collaborators, any other YouTube channel. They have to accept, of course, and this then shows the collaborative video to everyone's audience, and viewers can subscribe to any of the channels that are part of the collaboration. So you can control who the collaborators are. If you're the host channel, you can get the invite link, or if you click the little 3-dot menu icon, you can remove collaborators if you want. And then as the host, you can also allow collaborators to see the analytics for that collaborative video. They will not see revenue if you're monetizing. And any watch time, views, or revenue goes to the original host channel. But the idea is that this can expand your audience. And so, for example, for us here on eBoard, we upload a video, tutorial or something like featuring Nina, and then we add Nina as a collaborator. That means that Nina's channel audience will also see the on eBoard video, in their subscription feed and recommendations and so forth. And as a collaborator, you can add a collaborations shelf to your channel home tab and feature those collaborations there. So I'm kind of excited. This is supposed to be rolling out over the next few weeks, and I think this is a good situation for us here on eBoard to give it a try.